Among the crowd of cryptos, there are few that are worth investing in. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about one such token. Will the REN crypto go to $0.94? Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell notifications to always stay updated on the burning cryptos in the market. And don't forget to comment on your favorite crypto. In today's video, we are going to be looking at REN and all of its latest developments, playing the positive catalysts in lifting the token's price. Before we begin, please note that this information shared in this video is not a piece of financial advice. You are requested to conduct your due diligence or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. What is the REN crypto? If you are someone who does not know about it, REN is a complex blockchain platform with a never-ending list of use cases. More simply, it has been designed to overcome barriers to entry and investment for DeFi projects. This crypto works as a plug-in enabling DeFi projects to bring cryptocurrency assets such as Bitcoin and Zcash to their offerings. It also provides users with the opportunity to swap any token between any two blockchains without any third in-between steps, such as using the wrapped versions of tokens. REN launched REN VM, formerly known as Republic Protocol, which is a virtual machine mainnet. In May 2020, having completed the initial coin offering in 2018 for about $34 million. This token is an inter-blockchain liquidity protocol, which very recently on 10th August announced its partnership with the ICHI, a protocol for creating decentralized monetary authorities. REN is the native token of this protocol, which functions as a bond for those running nodes which power REN VM, known as dark nodes. Coming to the new integration with ICHI, a decentralized monetary authority protocol, this protocol would be able to create stable coins backed by a blend of its own native coin and flat-backed stable coins. The ICHI protocol provides each crypto community with the tools to operate their own economy, inclusive of establishing a community-governed treasury created through the mining of one token. This would increase the demand for each community's native coin and ensure value remains locked in the community. The Chief Operating Officer of REN, Michael Burgess, said, "This partnership is a key step in allowing the fluid movement of liquidity between any blockchain. ICHI's protocol creates value for any stakeholder within the Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Digibyte, or other crypto communities we support by encouraging the adoption and use of these tokens and driving value back to the community in the form of yield." Therefore, this collaboration that brings REN VM to the Ethereum network would facilitate these cryptocurrencies to be used in the DeFi apps across the blockchain ecosystem. We are thrilled to partner with REN to provide communities with autonomy over how to spend, invest, save, and otherwise use their money to encourage the scalable and sustainable growth of DeFi, said Brian Gross, ICHI. When the quantity in a community's treasury surpasses the amount of existing minted one token, the community's one token gets over-collateralized. This occurs when the community invests in DeFi projects to earn yield. This collaboration comes after ICHI, REN, and Consensus worked together to create Filecoin stablecoins. More than $2 million in one-fill stablecoins have been issued since the introduction of June. In-house stablecoins for 1inch Network, Fuse Network, and Wing Finance have always been successfully launched by the ICHI. REN is trading at $0.51 on August 12 with a green change of 4.88% in 24 hours. This is huge, indicating a steep upswing in the price action. As per Wallet Investor, REN has been running in the bullish cycle in the last 12 months and is expected to continue a positive trend in the future, indicating an excellent long-term investment. REN is expected to go from $0.5098 to $0.9063 in just 1 year, showcasing a growth rate of over 450% in the coming 5 years. Given the buying pressure on this token, it is likely to cross $1.4 by the end of 2021. Entering the market at this point would turn out to be quite profitable. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please drop a like if you found this video informational. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down your views on REN. And we will see you all in the next one. Till then, goodbye.